टीवी एक्टर नंदिश संधू ने बताया कि आखिर क्या हुआ था पलाश मुछाल और स्मृति मंदाना की कैंसल्ड वेडिंग पर। Well, Nandish Sandhu opened up about Palash and Smriti's postponed wedding, urging restraint amid growing online speculation. Well, आपको बता दें, actor Nandish Sandhu has finally reacted to the chatter surrounding singer-composer Palash Muchal and cricketer Smriti Mandana, whose wedding was called off in November last year. Well, Nandish ने हाल ही में दिया एक interview and he made it clear that he did not want to speculate or add to the noise already circulating online. Nandish ने कहा, "It's better not to say anything on that right now and let Palash speak from his side." He said, adding that he felt nobody had reached out to Palash directly for his version of events. Nandish ने ये भी stress किया that he was not aware of the full details and did not want to comment without knowing the complete picture. Well, Nandish ने कहा कि उनको भी शादी का न्योता मिला था और साथ-साथ उनके फुल प्लान्स थे शादी को अटेंड करने के, लेकिन हाँ, चीजें सडनली बदल गई। Nandish ने कहा, I had gone for the wedding, that didn't happen, and I just got to know that it's not happening at the moment. Well, Nandish के हिसाब से the postponement was initially attributed to medical emergency in Smriti Mandana's family. Nandish ने कहा, "It's postponed because what came out in the news, the same thing was there, conveyed to you guys, conveyed to everybody. Smriti's dad was not well, he was in the hospital, and that's why everything has been postponed." He added that he later came across further developments through news reports and social media. Nandish ने कहा, "Later on, I got to know through news and media that this is what has been printed and this is happening, and I feel bad about it," he said, clearly uncomfortable with how the situation unfolded publicly. Well, Nandish ने स्मृति और पलाश के रिलेशनशिप पर भी बात की और ये भी कहा कि नंदिश ने पर्सनली दोनों के बॉन्ड को ओवर द इयर्स ग्रो होते हुए देखा था। नंदिश ने कहा, "Whatever the reason might have been, the wedding did not happen. I've seen how madly they were in love for the last 5 to 6 years. They were such a cute, nice couple," he added. Well, इस सिचुएशन को नंदिश ने बहुत ही सैड बताया और ये भी कहा, "It was difficult to see things reach this point after years of togetherness." Well, आपको बता दें, जब से पलाश और स्मृति की वेडिंग पोस्टपोन हुई है, अलग अलग वर्जन सामने आ रहे हैं। Well, स्मृति ने तो पहले ही अपनी और पलाश की पिक्चर सोशल मीडिया से डिलीट कर दी थी, तो वहीं पर पलाश ने भी ये फोटोग्राफ्स डिलीट कर दी हैं और साथ साथ दोनों ने एक दूसरे को सोशल मीडिया पर अनफॉलो भी कर दिया है और कई सारे एलिगेशंस भी सुनने को मिले हैं। Well, अब सच जो भी हो, डेफिनेटली किसी भी रिश्ते का टूटना काफी हर्टफुल होता है और नंदिश ने भी यही कहा।